Indian cricketer Mohammad Kaif will contest the 2014 Lok Sabha election from Uttar Pradesh's Phulpur constituency on a Congress ticket. Headlines 3 exclusively caught up with Kaif to know more about his second innings. Listen in.
Last 2 weeks, two sports persons, two sports icons of the country have stepped into active politics. Mohammad Kaif, former Indian player, is with me right now. He's become the latest to take the plunge. Kaif, tell us why this choice and why now?
I think it's the right time because I've been meeting Rahulji in the last couple of weeks and we had a good chat and all. So this was always on my mind to give something back to society where I come from. My hometown Allahabad, and of course Phulpur. My family, they all live there. That's where I born and brought up. And of course I had to move out to play cricket. And where I am right now, of course, it was a good decision moving out from there, and of course, came to Noida, then I captained UP, then I played for India and all.
All right, before we talk more about politics, this means an absolute end to your cricket, isn't it?
No, I'm playing. I was actually playing the match 4-5 days ago in Jaipur.
So what happens now? Will you continue to play or not?
It's gonna be, well, I'm gonna have to maintain that. I'll try to do both, definitely.
You will try to do both?
Of course, yes. And it's gonna be challenging, I know that. But like I said, politics is gonna be first priority. It's a full-time job now.
But how will you play if you win?
If I win, it's depending on what kind of team I get. Back home in Allahabad, and I need to meet people there. And hopefully, I get a good team there who understand my thought process, and definitely I'll get out some time and be out there and play some matches.
All right, so Mohammad Kaif, they're saying that this is not the end of his cricket career. We wish you all the best, but as a cricketer and now as a budding politician, what is the first lesson that getting into active politics has taught you that perhaps cricket couldn't?
Like I said, I've got no political background, to be honest, and it's very new for me. But like I said, we have to start somewhere, and like I said, it's the right time here, and to learn something, and being a sports person, travel around the world. I met different culture, different people, poor, rich, whatever, different caste, different religion. So I think I have something to give back to society now. I can really add to something in their lifestyle, how they want to live, and like I said, travel around, meeting different people, playing with Sachin Tendulkar, being the most great player of India, and of course abroad, meeting different kind of culture. It taught me a lot, and I've seen highs and lows, in my career. So mentally I'm ready to. Are
you ready to play politics now?
Politics, yeah, of course, in a right manner, in a good manner. You're gonna respect the opposition. I'm not gonna get into the sledging, and I wanna play fair.
What can sports people, like I said, obviously there are many sports people, many cricketers who've, have been MPs before. Sachin Tendulkar became a Rajya Sabha member. Bhaichung is now fighting an election. You are fighting an election. What can sports people bring to politics? And would doing better for sports also be on your agenda?
Yeah, something in my mind, something I've done throughout my life. Playing sports, playing cricket, and reaching. Of course, representing the country for a longer period of time. So yeah, like I said, it's meeting people there, and knowing what they want. The people talk about the basic stuff, house and electricity, and of course jobs and stuff. Yeah. That's very basic. All the people talk about that, but
what will you talk about?
Depending, I need to go there, meet them, and of course, there's something more. Definitely, they want something more rather than what people talk about, the basic agenda. But there's something more to add in their life.
What would you like to do for sports, Kaif, particularly? Like not just cricket. Cricket is doing very well, but other sports are suffering in our country. You must have been aware of the entire IOA fiasco. Only now we've gotten back, and other sports are really struggling. Would you like to do more for those sports as well?
Oh, sure, definitely. Especially I know lots of people playing different sports. They also want to represent their country. Could be football, athletics, and play tennis and badminton. All the sports, they deserve to be right up there. And of course, those who are participating, playing, they have a dream to play for the country, and at the same time getting a nice life out of it. That's a basic motive. So all the sports deserve the same. The way cricket has reached so far, I think it's a matter of getting the right team, right people working towards it. Government, of course, come into play, and like I said, all the sports to be deserve to be there, right there, up there. And people taking the sports, they should see the future, taking other sports. It's very important, Probably for my side, like I said, every day I'm going to be learning new things and meeting different people, and I would love to add apart from cricket, the other sports. If I can help people who want to take up the sport, will be a great deal for me. And